Hello, welcome back, boys and girls. Thank you for joining us again today. Now, we have a wonderful story for you. Today's book is called The Great Rainbow Chase, written by Rusk, illustrated by Leysan, Shayakbirova. Now, in this magical story, even Scribbles love taking adventure. Now, let's see what happens. Let's get started. Eve peered from beneath our umbrella all day. The rain was severe, but she wanted to play. She turned around to Scribbles as they huddled together and concerned wondered, what will we do with this weather? Optimistic, as always, he looked to the skies and spied the faintest of sunbeams no cloud could disguise. And then, all of a sudden, the first burst of light, and the sight of the blue sky was met with delight. Where have the clouds gone? And where did the rain go? Gray skies were replaced by a beautiful rainbow. Ain't that something? I've not seen a sight that could match it. With excitement, Eve cried, wish there was some way to catch it. So let's do it before the sky gets any duller.
Yes.
Nothing to it, he assured her. Just follow the color. Wow. So they rolled out the red carpet and their journey began. Past red berries, ripe cherries, and strawberries they ran. Through rose fields, past the lobsters, a scarlet post box, and through a lipstick splash space. Splashed the girl and her fox. And they rolled on an orange, keeping balance on top. Through a light, flashing amber, with no time to stop.
Whoa.
Now past a spooked ginger cat towards their colorful bounty, by spooky carved lanterns, and through a rich orange county. And under hot yellow sun, over light yellow sand, hand in hand, the expanse of a bright yellow land. And they slid on bananas, a rubber duck quacked, and some sunflowers watched while a bee ticked and tacked. And they invaded a football pitch, causing a scene as the Irish team shirt beamed a premium green. And through a jungle of veggies, they squashed and they squeezed past broccoli, celery, green beans, and peas. And they sailed across an ocean, the coolest of blue. Far above them, the bluebirds surveyed their royal view, and through tranquil, pale blues, the pair floated on by. Deep below, a whale must, with a smooth, soothing sigh. And through an indigo night, by the light of the moon, drifted Eve and her fox in a denim balloon. through shades of azure and of deep periwinkle, as stars lit the sapphire sky with their twinkle. Past supreme violet peaks, northern lights filled the sky. Through serene purple hues, the pair drifted on by. And then all of a sudden, to the pair's great surprise, they were met by the most stunning violet sunrise.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
And at last, the end of their voyage was in sight. Having crisscrossed the spectrum of visible light, this journey's been challenging, fun in the main though, and I wonder what waits at the end of the rainbow. But there was nothing there.
Whoa,
Another
whoa,
thing? Zip, nada? Scribbles cried. We'll be gone. No wishes, no treasure, and no leprechaun. We've traveled a marathon, journey till dawn. And the distance that we've gone for a bare patch of lawn. Not to worry, my wish had already come true. The most vibrant adventure, and I shared it with you. You surely agree it's not been monochrome, but let's call it a day, Scribbles. Time to head home. So they turned around, homeward bound, with the wind at their backs, and they recovered the ground and retraced their tracks, past violets and hoppergiants, past various blues, evergreens, yellow submarines, and tangerine hues. And through a red stop sign, the flushed couple ran, as they rushed to the spot where their journey began. Now that dream was sublime. Let's do it again. The next time, skies conspire to bind sunshine and rain. But aren't you upset? We were granted no treasure, no wishes. Asked Scribbles with minor displeasure.
Oh.
Not at all, answered Eve without hesitation. Now it's the journey's important, not a destination. No matter, no leprechaun, as myths are foretold. No matter, because Scribbles, you are my pot of gold. The end. What a wonderful, wonderful story. Thank you so much for joining us again, boys and girls. We thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you soon.